Hello everyone, welcome to solve this very nice problem for the value of x. 4 to the power x multiplied by 4 to the power minus 2 is equal to 8. Let's come to the solution. First of all, 4 to the power x and 4 power minus 2, we can write this as 1 divided by 4 power 2. This power minus 2 will be plus 2 when we move this from numerator to denominator, and this whole thing is equal to 8. Now multiplying both sides by 4 squared, multiply by 4 squared is equal to 8 multiplied by 4 squared. So from the left hand side, 4 squared from denominator and 4 squared from numerator cancel out each other. We will left with 4 power x multiplied by 1, which is 4 power x, is equal to 8. We can write this as 2 multiplied by 4. 2 multiplied by 4, which is 8 into 4 squared. Now 4 power x is equal to 2 into 4 power 1 into 4 squared. When the bases are same, then their power will be added. Let a power m multiply by a power n. This is equal to a power m plus n. So this will become 4 power 1 plus 2, which is 3. As we are interested to find out the value of x. So now taking log on both sides. This implies log of 4 power x is equal to log of 2 multiplied by 4 cube. Now by using logarithmic properties, that if we have log of a to the power b, this is equal to b log of a. Another logarithmic property which we will use here, log of a multiplied by b, this is equal to log of a plus log of b. So now the above equation, we can write this as log of 4 to the power x. This we will apply this logarithmic property as, so this will become x log of 4 is equal to, at the right hand side we will apply this logarithmic property, log of a multiplied by b, this is equal to log of a plus log of b. So this will become log of 2 plus log of 4 cube. Again we will apply the logarithmic property, log of a to the power b here. So x log of 4 is equal to log of 2 plus this will become 3 log of 4. Now dividing both sides by log 4. At the left hand side, log 4 from denominator and log 4 from numerator cancel out each other. Here x is equal to, this we will write as log of 2 divided by log of 4 plus 3 log of 4 divided by log of 4. Another logarithmic property, that if we have log of a divided by log of b, then this is equal to log of a to the base b. So this x is equal to, first we will write this log of 4 and log of 4 cancel out, 3 plus log of 2 divided by log of 4, we will use this property here. So this will become log of 2 to the base 4. This is the value of x. Now let's verify that whether this value of x 3 plus log 2 to the base 4 is valid for the given expression or invalid. For verification, we will use the value of x here. So this will become 4 to the power x. X means 3 plus log 2 to the base 4 multiply by 4 power minus 2. This we will write as 1 divided by 4 power 2. By moving 4 power minus 2 from numerator to denominator, this will become as is equal to 8, whether it is equal or not equal to. So now by using an algebraic identity, if we have a power m plus n, this is equal to a power m multiplied by a power n. So this will become 4 cube multiplied by 4 power log 2 to the base 4 multiplied by 1 by 4 squared, which is 16, whether it is equal or not equal to 8. 4 cube, we will write this as 4 multiplied by 4 squared multiplied by 4 to the power log 2 to the base 4 multiplied by 1 by 16, and at the right hand side we have 8. Now 4 squared, this is 4 multiplied by 4, which is 16. 16 from numerator and 16 from denominator cancel out. 4 multiplied by 1, which is 4. And using a logarithmic property, that if we have x to the power log of y to the base x, so this is equal to y. Using this property here, 4 and 4, so this will become 2 is equal to 8. Now 4 multiplied by 2, which is 8, is equal to 8 at the right hand side. So we have left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence the value of x 3 plus log 2 to the base 4 is valid for the given expression. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe this.